Ever wondered if a princess actually solved a bread crisis with a bake-off suggestion? Let's set the record straight. Picture this. Marie Antoinette, dressed like a cupcake herself, stands next to a cake that could feed, well, half of France. Villages are fuming, waving pitchforks, and for some reason, everyone is yelling about cake. But here's the twist. Marie Antoinette probably said, "Let them eat cake." The phrase first popped up in a book by philosopher Jean-Jacques Rousseau, when Marie was just a kid, nowhere near a throne or a bakery. So why does everyone blame her? Well, she was rich, a bit clueless, and, let's be honest, an easy target for a scandalous rumor. Saying "let them eat cake" made her look like the ultimate cartoon villain. So next time you hear someone say it, feel free to whip out your own giant fact-check book and say, "Actually." Because in the world of cartoons and history, not everything is as sweet as it seems.